Hey writers, I'm Samantha Panzera with Aspiring Writer Academy, a website and YouTube channel that's all about helping you write, promote, and publish your fictional novel. I kind of teach the tech and marketing end of things here at Aspiring Writer Academy, all that comes along with being an author, from self-publishing, marketing, and how to create email newsletters, upload your book, all that fun technical stuff. So recently, I was just asked in the YouTube comments, do I check bleed or no bleed when uploading my manuscript? This is a really common question that a lot of authors have when self publishing their book. And so today I just wanted to go over what exactly is bleed and whether or not you should click that check mark or not click it. It's really important to choose the right option because if you choose the wrong one, it can cause weird margins or weird cutoffs and just make the formatting of your book look a little weird and wonky. So, first off, what does bleed mean? So, bleed is when images go all the way to the edge of the page, and no bleed is when an image is self contained within your manuscript, where it has that white outside edging around it. This is super important because when printing a book, the edges can shift a little bit. And if there's a cut, your page could suddenly not be reaching across the whole page or not look flawless. And so it's giving you that extra buffer room in formatting. Choose bleed if your book images go all the way to the end of the page. Choose no bleed if your images are self contained within the manuscript with that white edging on the outside of it. Most of the time, books that are text heavy, they're generally no bleed. And a lot of times, picture books, you'll always have bleed. Like with children's books, you always want to get the exact margins and have your full colored images go all the way to the edge with your text within the buffer layer. Everybody's margins are a little bit different depending on the size and trim of your book. I hope that this video helped clear up whether or not you should choose bleed or no bleed. If you're liking the content in this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified each time we come out with future videos all about writing, publishing, and marketing your book. And if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Shoot me a message in the comments below. Okay, catch you next time.